Let's look at the solutions of geometry bites. ABC is a rectangle and G is a point inside the rectangles. Inside the rectangle, two perpendiculars are drawn from G meeting AE and EC at D and F respectively. If AB is 10, BC is equal to GC is equal to 8, and GF is equal to 6. Find the area in centimeter square of the quadrilateral BFGD. Okay, first let me draw a rectangle. A, B, C, E. AB was 10, BC was 8, and GD is also 8, and GF, D is on AE. Okay, so here, so let's say this is G, this is D, this is F, and this is 6, and this is 8. So if this is 6, this should be 2. This is 8, this should be 2. Area of BFGD. Okay. So we have a weirdly shaped arrowhead. Okay. So we need to remove this area, and this area from the total area of 80. So 80 minus 10 into 2. So this will have an area of 10. 8 into 6. So this will have an area of 48. 8 into 2. So this will have an area of 8. So 48 plus 8 is 56. 56 plus 10 is 66. So 88 minus 6. Area of BFGD will be 40. Next, in an isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC is equal to 13. Okay. 13, 13, AB. See, an equilateral triangle A dash BC is constructed such that the line segment A dash cuts the side BC at point D. Equilateral triangle. Okay. And this is A dash, and the line joining these two will cut it at D. Okay. Which of the following cannot be the measure of angle DAC and DA-C put together? Okay. Things I know. This is as good as a kite. If this is X, this is also X. This is as good as a kite. A-C is as good as a kite. So this smaller diagonal is getting bisected with 90 degree. So because BCA dash is an equilateral triangle, this will be 30 degree. This will be 60 degree. This will be 90 degree again. Which of the following cannot be the measure of DAC? DAC I know to be 30. And DA-C put together. DA-, oh, sorry, not DAC is 30. DA-C is 30. Now DAC, I see this one, 120 degree. DAC would have to be 90 degree then, but I know DAC cannot be 90 because I already have ADC as 90. So this has to be the answer. The sum of DAC and DA-C cannot be 120. Next, the ratio of interior angles of regular polygons with sides n1 and n2 is 2:3. Find the number of sides in the polygon having lesser number of sides if it is known that n1 is equal to n2 by 2. So let n1 have x sides. So n2 will have 2x sides. So x minus 2 into 180 by 2x minus 2 into 180 is equal to 2 by 3. So cancel. 3x minus 6 is equal to 4x minus 4. But I'm getting x equal to minus 2 now. What have I done wrong? Oh, one mistake I have made. This entire thing should be divided by x, and this entire thing should be divided by 2x. So this and this cancelled. This 2 will go to the top. This 2 will go to the top here. This is gone. This 2 and this 2 will cancel. So I'll be left with 2x minus 2. This is better. So x is equal to 4 I will get. And you can also go ahead and check. Basically, if x equal to 4, then you would have a square and internal angle is 90°. And for the larger polygon, it would be an octagon and internal angle will be 180 minus 360 by 8. This will be equal to 135. Yes, the ratio is indeed turning out to be 2:3. So answer should be option A, 4. Next, a semicircular sheet of maximum area is cut from a rectangular sheet of paper of dimension 14 centimeter by 7 centimeter. Okay. Area of the remaining portion is, the semicircular sheet will be cut like this. Radius 7, semicircular sheet of paper will be cut, radius 7. So area of the entire rectangle is 14 into 7. Area of the semicircular portion will be half into 22 by 7 into 49. So cancel 7, cancel 11. So 3 into 7 left or 21 left. Answer should be option A. Next, in the following figure, if angle BCA is 50°, okay, this is 50°, and BGE is 95°, what is the value of angle EDF? This angle. Amazingly useless in question. Okay, see, if this is also 95, vertically opposite angles, so 95, 50, and 35, answer should be option C. That will be all for this episode. Hopefully you learned something. Okay, bye.